야 정말 테스트리 당한조 chemistry chapter C physics chapter nga chare ta bio ko jueche ani lokto jo biology lana bio nana living beings lo ra ta living beings la du plants the animal nature chugo re and plants the animal nature gi ko la study che de la khale re biology ne ra ani ta biology la chapter she ngawa tupa tumeche and ne ngawa tupa dumbache and then chapter last chopsum la disease kachkor odi so in that chapter samati slelo re chapter thambo handa descend the tissue delo re di jela diversity la dia ya kintu zero dumba gewa na this ma do jana mare ne ta part do na ani slelo re ta di chapter di namo na ma jo khare jana re fundamental unit of life fundamental and basic laws 조조 지겨라 어디가 unit of life 라나 속자 에나 속대기 유네베네 충슈 아니 디 카레데 fundamental 라두가나 카레데 라나 어디 카레 cell the fundamental unit of life is what that is cell plant cell the animal cell 나버다 다디라디 지식 나로네 지식 릭 창마 나로 속된 창마 나로기 아니 추슈제 베이직 개치슈 디카레 셀제 디나신기 아니 아주 셈제 여러 디나로네 아니 추슈 개치슈 디카레라나 셀제스 that is the given on the ropes jamtar Robert Hooke was the first scientist who coined the term cell by observing cork tissues under microscope the scientist Robert Hooke la di tangpo ta kora ye lenses dinjo ani scientist sheba do demonstrate here the lens discover cheese and the power digers demonstrate cheer chedula microscope diwala yana lens diwala chik mashana power khaus yeme and chunju khaju thong thu yeme titen thu mara chejang pyo khachire dena jo shingdong gi pakpa thakpu sto chilola bak pakpa thakpu sto adi the dead cells ra the the tissue which core in the this mama shingire the bark gi nanglo ne ani slice cutting taptas ra tissue taptas stain che microscope la ta du la khuge khare thong re ani honeycomb du bena jo dangja ra b gi ani kun jo changsu du la and the hexagonal shape in the mango join form su da o ninde do khuge tangpo honeycomb to thongsu la tissue bark tissue dinanga cork la ne chipar minta cork tissue la di khare bark la b a r k okay ta di je la ani khare study chi di ani cone shape kharsa comb comb shape odela ming an jela ani cell la di mingtar ta anda jo plant cell the animal cell changma ta yes the to do mala ani onion peel ka chi the slides so gre and the namala hexagonal shape cell hexagonal shape ordinate thong so the cell like chick term thango ani introduce chini the surelana Robert Hooke re ani discover chini kona hai Robert Hooke re usa cork tissue la tissue di khare group of cells ki sogora so that tissue cell kona thambum kang chik ani khare microscope la tyendumar hang sai gi chunju the handle le chidumar chenza tissue le cork tissue le ne tissue di khare sogore cell gi sogora so group of cells yoza ani nganjo cork tissue namol la cell la di chik thangbo introduce chini di Robert Hooke res la okay that the cell gi remove I guess tendo dumba mix gi dumba tupo dumba che and dine gewa namla plant cell the animal cell ka changa differences che ani cell gi parts cell organelles ndu jang ta jinda go namla this deep sa jangor anjo jinda gewa namla the part shire ma chima do differences janga organelle parts of the plants the animal cell ka chikare she singas madu jangai bara ta da ju jinda go na this ma ja ta di chang ma da ma re chindu re khare image structure khare image function khare image so and the remove the khare cross section of an animal cell chi cell kam chi re da cell kam chi gi ani khare ta da sun ani microscope ta du magnified shape cell dinde chimbo yore na yomar magnified shape microscope namla magnified lana chimbo sun one chimbo suidu de kaza thongkyo di ani shuna papdu gala and this tibor ma do shin sel de chimbo dinde yo ma ranga ju mi gi thongto yo ma naked eyes gi thongto yo ma. So that is a cross section of animal cell. The plant cell, the animal cell, the like kewa basic kam hashi chimado shimba changma chibu chigyang. Changan ju ready chi dweche. Okay, tangbodi cell lana khare. Cell is made up of its cell organelles. Cell la di khare ki shugyo res lana cell parts of the cells ki shugyo res. Parts of cell lana jo khale organelles res. So thinking aju remove dinano la. Di changma organelles de thala min tigyo changma label chigyo changma kare cell organelles parts of the cells la orda the cell la the cell organelles ki du ne ani cell la ne cha res la di cell re la na di cell la di changma pa dun changma du ne ani thabum chik na cell chik cha go res ra. Okay ta cell re ki so cell chiki plant cell animal cell khare ni cha ga du da or the parts organelles re kach korche and the zo kera send the ko nana khari changur lana functions changur lega khari ne cell organelles individual di lega khari ne thambut kare plasma membrane or cell membrane cell ki thaja dilo papat the outline bubble to store or the children in the care mata to remove some color in the tangsha attractive search to the any control logatonga to the distinct tonga to the so the touches to the cell get touched to oh the correct cell membrane papa cell the papa and cell membrane la ming shembach kale plasma membrane fluid ke sugura the cell membrane khande to store Nanglo internal structure tana in the clear. Again, this line in the outline chiku to circle chikla and the outline tiger dush. The money cell reki and cell pakatuzo in the source. Chemical dam under sugu to the Mang chakara protein. That in the part Shibuta Kiras Changamar the Chukchin and the Ineta or cell membrane nana. In the Taja Chipu remark to us, Nango in the doors. So that is a correct function generation. The pipe to tube to channel protein with the process. Send Nango Borada, Bogotama, Yatangura, Dinashing Yasen, and Mogo Sama Matangore, Yasen and Mogo Rich and intercellular space, Ni Padula, Tongacho, de Matangura, and send membrane Koran layer structure in the Kora, shape Kore, and Korai alive there. So Dila Dugala. Any parts into carbohydrates ki parts to glycoproteins mang protein globular protein into the sobdalatan and ming tiger also. Okay, so these cell membrane ki internal structure in the ureus la tamajo cell membrane like functions of the cell membrane. The plasma membrane allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out of the cell. Okay, the cell Dechig cell dingi parula space chigdo dela intercellular space la. The cell di thangu di thaja dela cell membrane papashko. Papa di nangro la ya khadile gore goya cell la goya changma cheza papa di kaya re tapta yimba khanshi la ani protein mambu sugyo re di nasing whole chunchu india. So ine changma tango re la na tango mar pena jo lapta gi gate and lapta gi gate down la 요즘에 상관이네 당기면도 게트 기버 샤도가 아니 되네 아이디다 수레도 돼 아마 등에네 간주면 당기면도 so 되나시 지부지냥 아니 가래 플라스마 멤브레인 기 셀코라 나무로 고고요 그 참마 야 당그래 안 고고 메메교 든서 되나 당그마 다 고고 요교 라두가나 마타나 링기 마레 오사 뇽타나 안 치로네야 링기 Dinashin ki cell khora namlo na mang thagyo ti khachire membrane gune chulo ma tangir cell ki chulo la cell chulo dujule ani khare fluid yore this aja dana khale gre intercellular space cell ni ki parula ta dene intercellular space namole ya material mango peorta okay so that is in and out kila kechi sho odus niwadi It also prevents movement of some other materials. Therefore, it is called as a selectively permeable membrane. Cheza, thinking answer gatekeeper machine, gatekeeper ki lapta nana tak institution kawa yine kanda gatekeeper ki kare aju maju ya tang mi do. Pami dhyu ma do. Koro gongba yegyo chongje yegyo chima do ya tang mi do. Chiku chikya cell membrane ki cell of go yegyo. Osa o dunzo ma do aju maju ya tang go mar. Tinashin ki cell ne ma the cell ki chilo la ma kanju maju logo marcheta cell membrane de la halegre selectively permeable membrane selectively la na kanere tam ne la tam pa gyane snara. Next, it is the covering of the cell and protects the cell, and the plasma membrane yana cell membrane the cell ki papa chires gyapsha do chires ra ai ko ni khachire cell de la sungyop chures pena ma zo lumba ina boundary gu do labda ine boundary thaja gu do right walls ka do so institution do so boundary su do walls su do wana shi chi ko chi di kare protection chi do ra so namlo so namlo denge ta namlo area changwa so dina shingi cell ki namlo la organelle dengi ma push do dum sama protection chi do la and protect chini the surelana plasma membrane yana cell membrane. It also gives the shape to the cell. Cell sota tingi de ip tingi jura. Mazu subu all subu ani ip tingi the surelana bones rela right. And in ashingi muscles rela cell individual rela la ani ip tingi the shape tingi the kangi rela na cell membrane yana plasma membrane rest. Okay, that there. Thinking cell number la, ani gogo yukyo da, ani mekyo dunzo, ya boya dunzo ya ne, amogoya dunzo tene maatun, kanjumu ju ya tangwa marnasa. So, it's a process. Angazo the chemistry na jansa ta ye diffusion. Diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange like oxygen and carbon dioxide between the cells as well as the cell and its external environment. Okay, tanga to cell na la khachigore respiration chigora burning of food. So kala anju se tama khare cell la kegora thagi. Andi nashin ge anju ge respiratory system the breathing system the oxygen ya le ne and oxygen tama kha kegora cell la kegora. So kala di oxygen gi burn chigur. Okay. So the burn chiwe ka blast ra and oxygen ya le kala burn chi sana and side product kharting gure waste product carbon dioxide tungura di carbon dioxide de ma tungura. Okay, so dinzo yama cell ne ma ta and oxygen ya ne da carbon dioxide ma da the process tel khale diffusion. Okay, that cell ki chilo ki environment lana intercellular space thinking cell ni inte na cell ki chilo thaja jora di koyu de la khale external environment ta chilo ni oxygen ya lengore thaksa gun ra ane cell ki namro ne carbon dioxide respiration chize vechala ha tyongura di process de la khale diffusion of gases chaza. Okay, I'm to chemistry dina jansara. The next osmosis that the nenga chiri the keres la practical major practical potato that chini then the osmosis kare then the diffusion ta do re in a concentration to the sheet osmosis jinda duma given on this chick introduced here. Osmosis is the passage of water from a region of higher concentration through the semi-permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. Okay. Concentration, high concentration and low concentration. Any semi-permeable membrane thingy, plasma membrane, the selectively permeable membrane. Permeable like the permit like the compound, semi lana half. So semi-permeable membrane like you kala gogo mado shemba sama cell na hola ya diffuse chuwa mar. Dida shingi cell ne matyo di mobe dik mado shemba cell na le kyo sama ai matyo go mar chensa semi-permeable membrane la sa ta osmosis lana process chigre the diffusion the chikwa ta di the diffusion di oxygen the carbon dioxide da in the shares oxygen ya le the carbon dioxide ma exchange ye environment de la process de la su gu chigo de cell membrane gu chigo ra ta dina shingi osmosis cell membrane gu chigo cell membrane la ya khaire pak the pores holes pe mangor holes and channels in the tube in the mango pair. So the cell in this na ani di thaja changma la chu mango pair na cell la chu nyuma che the higher concentration, low concentration dana chu she order cell la chu nyunga che low concentration of water cell ki chilo la external environment la kare high concentration of water yutu kana khatu ne chu ma ne nyunga la gura so higher concentration to the low concentration to so dinde ki process de la khali re osmosis tena nga zo nang nang la chu nang ki tap nang la chu kana nang la chu khane li do teng ni li do so so khangbe cha ceiling kana teng sha ne re ya main so so lapta institution khawa ine or di teng chi shu dine ma chu li do so teng di na la chu ma teng la kha re chu nyung ara so high concentration to lower concentration of water ma yong de la khali re osmosis ta ya process kha she khare cell ki nang lo la chu ma che cell ki chulo la intercellular space and external environment la chu nyunga na ani cell ki nanglo ne chulo la ma chu thedus papa gyune membrane kin so dele ani osmosis so pena anjo potato da chom da din jo la the plants ki product ro ti da na chu ro ha chine plants jo photosynthesis chi du kala se chu ya absorb chu ro din a shin ki cell nanglo la chu me na cell shi du ra okay so the plants ki product in the potato da ani onion din jong nang le nyun sha na ani se gi da ta kam shi zo go zu sa sha na ha ji do konzo shrink cha du da khum du da gali size chu shrink and deformed so da change do ha chin re na chilo gi environment di thwe che chu nyu ya za ani potatoes da onion nang lo chu ge du zu gi chu di chu lo pa do go so di la du kana potato da onion na nge ni chu ma ya za high concentration dene kuyu la pa do du gala atmosphere na pa thim do du gala atmosphere the area dekha re low concentration so higher concentration to low concentration and chu transfer china khale re osmosis adina shingi da keras la experiment chik di chair then da so resin yura RAISIN resin na kundum and shingdo chu doctor di law ma kundum kam sa ni o chi to o di resin di anga zo experiment chu ka la tango kaza watch class na lu watch class kora jigo tongba kya andiga na watch class and racing watch class na racing shinga chlu and then jigo kya chawe je la ani ya racing tichu na bang ani overnight sha ni chela khaji re racing na chu jikira so dila du gala chu bang ne sha la du gala chulo bangsa gi ne chu dina chu ma che racing na chu nyuma ya za high concentration to low concentration desa ta racing je sani ta du racing beer jugo kya du gala jugo che dor khajin che dor es na chu chilo ne the so high concentration to low concentration chu transfer chi go the process de la khale de osmosis so dina che chi pa chi kya ani nga jo cell din jo re chi wor plasma membrane gyune okay ta di osmosis la chi sha ne ani solution la yewa khajo re yewa sum hypotonic solution isotonic solution ta hypertonic solution okay hypotonic solution if the medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration then the cell will absorb water from the surrounding medium by osmosis okay kedes ra cell las ra chunyunga che cell ki chulo la chu ma yo na cell ki chulo la chu ma yo na cell la chu nyunga yo na cell ki khachi re membrane cell membrane gyune chulo ne chu ya thingi res o dinje ki ani solution de la cell dita khare chu na dingi nge resin kamu di chu na ba na shi cell di na no la khare chu nyunga che chulo gi cell gi chulo intercellular space and external environment de chu ma yo za ka chu re cell gi chu ya ji gor okay so that is called as a hypotonic solution cell ki chulo la ma then isotonic solution iso lana chikpa la same kasing chemistry na le so ya iso lana isobar ani isotopes na le so dina shi iso lana chikpa ta isotonic solution lana if the surrounding medium has exactly the same water concentration as the cell there will be no absorption of water into the cell the isotonic la same concentration of water cell ki nanglo la chu mangyu da cell ki chilo la chu mangyu jora ko ni chipa inza cell ne ma chulo tyongo mare ya cell ki chilo ne ya jibgo ba so dila dila dinde ki solution la khale re isotonic solution ta pela anjo kidani bislari boluni sha ba di chu khang chipa chikya kang an tene gang chute tene pipe in this pipe chiki ijana na juju na borol dinan a chu dene pipe do mare chu do ma ka chene chu borol nija na la a chu mang mi chipa yeza ta borol chik na la chu mang lu ra chik na mi ma le an pipe in this igan so ne pipe in this pa ta sambana shi pa tang bai na a ka chi re chu ma dene chu ya level ma ga dene mi ma de la do ro so ma ne mi ma do tu ye chulo la ma ga na ka cha so hypertonic chipa ina ka cha lo so isotonic solution. Hypertonic solution. If the medium surrounding the cell has a lower water concentration than the cell will lose water into the surrounding through the cell membrane by osmosis. The hypertonic solution na du cell nanglo na chu manga che and cell ki chulo la intercellular space the external environment ki chulo cell ki chulo la an chu nyuma edu kana an kha chore cell ki chu ma chulo diffuse sugar. So the solution hypotonic solution. Then major experiment potato peel chulo and potato drill and the case cup changma chikane re yana pa color chipin chune ya dine label chipa bisu nishane digu a chulo de la container chikna la chulu ane chalu ra shuni ane de sha shana a chudi chulo la ma thesa re ane ya chudi kaza chulo la chalu kyo chudi ya jusa re la du gala anjo concentration la du gala nanglo potato nanglo chu kyo dikare chu manga cha dilute cha chulo la cha yoza ane concentrated ko solid particle manga yoza an khachire chudi potato ne ma thyogus ta kesi nga ju gi exchange ne potato nanglo la chulu an dina chalu cha kala jam chulu shuri cha an chulo container dina la chulu plain chipura shadu gala an khachire ane potato yoso nanglo la chu ya thingis ya tendu gala level pharwa ma ju de tash kana an khare level ya phargo so dila du gala hypertonic solution then the cell ka la hypertonic solution na cell la chu ma che cell ki chulo la chu nyuma ya cell ne chulo la ma chu thongor that is hypertonic solution hypotonic di dokcho cell na lo chu nyuma che chulo la ma che chulo ne chu ji and then isotonic la na cell ki nanglo ta cell ki chulo ni ja la chu gi mangun chi pa inza an solution de la khale re isotonic solution 제가 아주 겐당 기탱 진짜 사 토사래야 ceiling 가나다 아니 가서 직타도 주 토지가 샤우도 가전에 아니 마 구로 마 high concentration ne chuma flow chura so the inza sa tosa chi level chipa shana ra chukala ta ani tangi iti chipa shana so flow chi tu mat osa chik level ki che okay so dinjo sama da da jo ditem solution type sum de le boy gimje khare cell membrane ki la chi gyo za okay now next unicellular freshwater organisms and most plant cells tend to gain water through osmosis ta cell chikle tukyo ra unicellular lana anjo jinja diwana jang unicellular organisms ta multicellular organisms sokcha kang chik subo kang chik di cell chikle dubadala unicellular organisms yana single celled organisms laura ta henda ngajo khare multicellular organism khachene ngajo super nanola cell tongda makoira okay so the unicellular dinjo primitives ra sokcha thangbo jungyo dene ma dugyo ani tanda yugyo dinjo unicellular ngema thangbo jungyo gi molecules dinjo ta yomara right okay ta dene ya ani reaction combine ani khachare unicellular organisms so cell chikli tukyo dinzo la and complex structure meja and function dinzo pe symbol life ki process dinzo da life ki function dinzo khare pe symbol so also supo na chuko ya di khandes chiore pakpa dunia absorb chia da tube in the right dinzo ne ya absorb mang che pakpa dunia absorb chu so that is called as a unicellular organism freshwater na denge right chuna dengi ge ani sokcha dinjo chuya subuna khandes lengor lana process osmosis gyune ya lengor res la Absorption of water by plant's root is also an example of osmosis. Tang azu zixing la zawa ya zawa di sana ma tim do root. Then sana ma tim an sagi tim du gala sadi kare porous che adina ngazu kare teaching the chulu to zawa chola luda dina shingi underground water ya yongoro sipchen so dila to gala sap water so zawa dun so nata part mangor in it root hairs dun so che and root hair kana root cap che the penetration is sa na thing to do gala achu ya teaching the photosynthesis che do ya gogora root ya te root ke part root tips che root hairs se dine ya te ne xylem na tang so that absorption of water by the root is called as osmosis. Such a root la higher concentration lower concentration absorption, so that is osmosis. Okay, the next term endocytosis. Endocytosis lana, the flexibility of the cell membrane also enables the cell to engulf in food and the other materials from its external environment, and such process is called as endocytosis. Okay, that did to the sokcha handi chire amoeba, so the chungal jara tumba gewana amoeba, single celled organism, protozoa gi an example chikwa. All the kachore lana ani cell membrane ki khala ya edes jugor ta khala khonju ga kora single cell ki sogyo yeza khala dile chunga yo bara so phytoplanktons tang ani nga jo diatoms in the algae chinju into the diatoms ta in the cell da khonju o den so ga jure in this june and lengores the flexibility of the cell membrane na pe nyebores ta kajele amoeba ina suju body suya cell membrane dine kangba juma dos adi chuna droye ge chigore khala de suya khala jera kaza engulf che tambo khala dine stakor adi jela ya lingyo process nas chi zinde ona jara okay so di khala ne di engulf chi res chuya june ani membrane ge ya jitu ta so that the digestive system membrane absorb engulf. So dinje process endocytosis. The bio term process. Okay. The cell organelle cell wall. Thinking of the cell membrane the cell wall. The cell wall plant cell animal cell na cell wall yomar animal cell na cell sangala outermost layer dikhare cell membrane ma yomar khachene ngajo handa de ngajo tulo khondo tina singi namna di do so dila du gala chulo ki harsh environment ta mangu chi kyamne ngajo la supola kyamne di supoda as a whole supoda cell kyamne di tulo yore khamba yore mangu ra so di du gala ngajo la protection shibu ngajo cell du la protection shibu ko ba the plant cell do chilo puyu chulo la digyoza ani kare nima chawo share chawa gerire ya sera gerire ra harsh environment mangora nima ching namle daman tutung da so di gala cell di thola dwe ta shiye ki chances manga yoza konzola covering years cell membrane ki chulo la khare yore cell wall tenda di jangush da inde in nanglo dikhare cell membrane la le ni yora this cell wall cell wall called jamache. Okay, cell wall. In addition to the plasma membrane lies an outer covering called cell wall. Plant ki cell membrane gang las and chulo khare cell wall na jures. A cell wall kita function karto. Cell wall is present only in plant cells. Plant cell cell wall is composed of complex substance called cellulose, which provides structural strength to the cell. Okay, cell wall the khare ki sugyo res lana cellulose like a fibrous structure, thread like structures. Pela anjo chanuma sa du gala papa shu sa jela samna kang re lande couch ko that is a fibrous structure. In the jota a fibrous structure cellulose anjo bark tunjule plant tissue tamako yora. Okay, so the cellulose ki sugyo res cellulose ki sugyo insa and khare cell wall ki structural cell la plant cell la ip tingi shuk tingi o the res means ip lana shape Cell wall gives the shape to the plant cells as well as give the strength to the cell. Okay, next the process plasmolysis. When a living cell loses water through osmosis, there is shrinking or contraction of the contents of the cell away from the cell wall is known as a plasmolysis. Lysis nana breakdown. Then the plasma nana liquid level. Okay. Ta zishin ga jang zo ma chi do chuma na kam du da. Loma din so seo cha ma za du da. Ti ani ta loma di organ nana tissue nana kaya red cells yo. Okay. So ta ka chu re plasmolysis nana cells nana ne chu ye do ne ani kare coach kum do ne shrinking. Rosa shrink cha ne ani kum do contraction nana kumba o dinde ki process de la khale de plasmolysis doctor kare zishin ne chu ta khala re ma nima chau ne re yana chu supply ya ma te ne re ine re kanda cell wall ne chu mangpoch ma thön do du kala cell di shrink cha du ra o di process de la khale de plasmolysis as plant cell na cell ma chu ma de na plant cell animal cell ni cha na no chu me na ra ani cell din zo shi du ni so tishin na zo chu gyang we kim je photosynthesis chi po chi do ma de plants din zo kare survive che ju du da as ip tang din na shin fluid din zo nang lo la ya chemical substance fluid din zo ya ma ke ri chi ni ko ro so din chang ma chi ni di chu so di into kana chu di be ke chi ko de chu la do we the process de la kana so plasmolysis. Okay, the organelle super dikhare la na nucleus. Cell nucleus anatomy la na internal nang lo. Nucleus ke nang lo. Nang kya so nucleus na cell na remote chitu kala ta go rich plant cell lina ani sule de animal cell lina ani nucleus di almost ki la yo. Okay, so the nucleus ki anatomy la tu kala nucleus ke nang lo part khare ne. Di nucleus kam sa che ta di ne cutting chur pore holes to nucleus la nuclear pore the holes che nuclear envelope la na pakala nuclear membrane cha sa dine nucleus namor la ligatures or the nuclear plasm anti dang la ligature ta chromosomes de sa dura chromatin na zo gene dna le da all the desa the nucleus. Okay, so the khare cell organelle sumba diche nucleus ko la den ma to functions of cell wall also the nucleus. It is the controller of the cell activities. That the jinde na la pena class teacher the main ra jinde ke ta jinde na class teacher the main ani khare ta jinde ke activity ta dewa ke samma control chingi the class teacher cha dura. So the ashin ki cell na function ta activities samma control chingi the su le na nucleus re. Ta jinde nanglo na shuge banda ranjo kala class teacher mena su tagore monitor vitagora. So chikya nucleus is the monitor of the cell. It is the controller, like the monitor of the cell activities. Ta jinde shuge banda ranjo kala tange da jinde ge ani kara changda chinge da ni changma monitor lenge cha dora. Chikya cell nanglo na ani activities khare ine changma control chinge de su rela na nucleus res. The nucleus has a double-layered covering called nuclear membrane. The nucleus la thingi there's a papa juris, nucleus kura na papa juris, or the nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope like the nuclear membrane like rest. Okay, the layer is double layer. The nuclear membrane has pores which allows the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to its outside, that is into cytoplasm. The nuclear pore nanti to thingi. Okay, so thingi plasma membrane na shi nucleus layer, nuclear membrane dua double layered. Upon ni or the holes in the pores or the kachore and chulogi puyu the kare cytoplasm and the jelly like structure. Di nango neta gogo changma mix carbohydrate protein in the goya into changma and nuclear pore ne ju diffuse che and nuclear plasm na ju and then chromatin da dinjogi absorb che develop che la lengo res la. It contains the genetic material called chromosome composed of DNA and protein. Gene is the segment of the DNA. Okay, that is genetic material. Then nucleus the tissue dire, nucleus the controller is nucleus na manjo kita phagu magu lejura. Okay, genes. Pena tapa manipu chure la duku de la palam lagi gene yores lagda. Okay, so de la dukana cell divide chive kabla ani kare genetic material dinzo replicate chine pass chura. Okay, so odi desa di cell namro desa di khagire la na ani nucleus namro deores or dinzo la genetic material called chromosome la mean khale genetic material gene ki material sinza genetic material. And chromosome namro la kare yore la na DNA or double helical structures so left namro la model in mambu do DNA na. Okay, the chromosome the namro DNA the protein ni arrest the protein synthesize chura and DNA replicate chura and gene is a segment of DNA. DNA ki part chunchu la khale gene the rest that is so things have and so gonna lona and this goya to share DNA deoxyribonucleic acid nane chikche and then gene DNA ki part chik na gene la res chromosome namro la khari DNA ta protein the cell divide chur so as a ta me na father cell sperm cell divide che dinashin ki mother's egg cell divide chitu kana haploid chagra half cell need join china combine china anzo khachale zygote. Okay, that zygote is single cell chagra single cell dinamona ani fathers ki sperm cell ma gene genetic material pass chigyo diche ra trait gene namona ta trait characteristic cochin ta ra dinashin ki mothers ki egg cell namona genetic material nucleus namona kare traits nzo cochin ta ra so jeza anga zo pu dunzo manamna do cha go yunze order. Okay, the functions of the nucleus. The nucleus plays a central role in the cellular reproduction, the process by which a single cell divides and forms two new cells. Okay, so nucleus namnola cell divides the rest, sperm cell, the egg cell divides in sperm cell single cell chikra, egg cell the single cell chikra, sperm cell the divide in haploid chaza, egg cell the divide in haploid chaza. So half cell the divide in half cell the combined chain and single cell la new cell zygotic charge. It refers to the nucleus. It also plays a crucial part, crucial part along with the environment in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit at maturity by directing the chemical activities of the cell. Okay, all cell the cell divide tissue combine organs. Okay, so the cell the tissue control chini the surelana nucleus res rakuyu tunge the control chini the process namlo cell ke namlo activity sama control chini the surelana nucleus res directing nana direction tenge. Okay, the cell la yevanir de ngazo de gevana jangha types of cells that they handa ngazo cell la nucleus me ta nuclear membrane me gi and the term ye prokaryotic cells ta eukaryotic cells. Organisms whose cells lack of nuclear membrane are called prokaryotic cells. Okay, thank you. Also nucleus la khadu do nuclear membrane, double layered nuclear membrane, nucleus la double layer gyoji nuclear membrane yores na so ta cell changma la yore la na yomares. Primitive cells, pro nana nyela previous laura. Okay, so primitive cells nyela tango sokcha chune ka ani primitive cells in there. Okay, especially the bacteria da in there dinzula khare single cells in the nucleus la nuclear membrane yomar well developed nucleus yomares nane dore yana nucleus la nuclear membrane yomar dinte ki cell dinzula khale prokaryotic cells. Okay, some bacteria example this one. Next, eukaryotic cells. Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotic cells. Okay, eukaryotic cells lana pena thena ma ju super nang cell din jo re. Okay, majority ma ju super na cell ekyo 99% cell la cell re la khare re ani nucleus che and nucleus nang lo la ani nuclear membrane nucleus la pakpa oza membrane double layered or che za ma ju cell din jo khai na chu go re eukaryotic cells. So advanced cells learn to work. Prokaryotic cells are primitive cells. Okay, example human cells. So then viruses lack any membranes and hence do not show characteristics of life until they enter a living body and use its cell machinery to multiply. Okay. The virus, the familiar chart, the coronavirus. The virus the special data. Debate draw the Droshimata, then the virus the synthetic ray, labore, natural mare, laborata, Harina Kanda, Namgu virus chicken to get up biology on the shade to Gana, virus the Sokcha cheese, Namula Madena, Koshidota, for living organism at tumor. So a virus is a borderline of the living and non-living organisms, given a gyra. So Sokcha china dena. Ani ko kachere ko ani koragi life process sama carry out chine ko living na shi act chis ta sokcha tene ma thena ko shi wa ta chipachi ga non living things ta chipachi ga res la so di hala odi show so virus lack any membranes virus in the last membrane the membrane in your mares hence do not show characteristics of life sokcha na shin ki keju na shi your mares until they enter a living body Sokcha jing nanglo la juna ma to and sokcha so yo na shi ek chi ma des keju yo ma des virus nzo osa and its membrane machinery to multiply and controla ta phege dre jura reproduce che di inji minji sokcha shenba ji su bu chi nanglo la jur osa okay tadi cytoplasm which the cytoplasm korachi ko remote okay the cytoplasm lanas rade cell ki parts to ta di dissect chidam cutting chida cell the cutting chida manda thingi di dos ta watermelon type dos osa and cut chigit so the di namlo changma khare cell organelle parts of the cells ta parts of the cell and the cell organelle sama desas to o di desa di namlo la jelly-like structures, jelly-like fluid. Chigos. Osa hotel khale cytoplasm gel. Tala gel chigo again so gel chigo. Antina shingita cream in the dwa gel. And so laughing suda jelly-like structures. Or dinde na shingi ani de cell ki namlo. That's such a mang chich. Majority of the cell ki area di ani volume di khare ke occupy chiore cytoplasm. So ko gel na shi structure chios. Di nambola and cell organelle sama there. Okay, so then on to college cytoplasm. The area sama demo di sama cytoplasm. The remote delatana di amata di vacuole also the nucleus. The area di tomba di and remove area ma impatient but sama tomba sama di sama and jelly like fluid yore or the nakale cytoplasm. That means cytoplasm the kanza area the kanza and kare cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid jelly-like contents inside the plasma membrane cell membrane ki namro gel structure the so it contains many specialized cell organelles means parts of the cells yores and it's so tangma so the if logare function logare so specialized la ko can say this. Then the next term endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane-bound tubes or sheets. Endoplasmic reticulum lanasra tube in the bundle in the yamachan they go che and it pakpa membrane yola membrane chene kegyo ta tube inde di tube ina inde stan inde degyo ani o di organelle dela endoplasmic reticulum ta endoplasmic reticulum na 1 years rough endoplasmic reticulum ta smooth endoplasmic reticulums wa ani ja mikta wo ginje ani function test logaer rough endoplasmic reticulum ta smooth endoplasmic reticulum mikta wo ginje logaer